Come up, Mr. Walker. Tell me, have you ever been arrested before?
Yes.
How many times have you been arrested?
Twice.
Would you go to church looking like that?
Yes.
In shorts?
Yes.
That's extremely disrespectful. You don't come to court in shorts, and the next time we will put you out. It's a complete sign of disrespect. Do you understand, Mr. Walker?
Yes.
You're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On June 21st, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a Porsche parked between a handicap and no parking zone. They made contact with driver who was identified by his Kentucky license. Defendant advised that he was having car problems and couldn't move the car, and that he had parked there to run into the gas station to grab a Gatorade and a Swisher Skeet. And between his legs, there was a handgun in plain view. Officer asked defendant to step out of the vehicle and observe the smell of marijuana. During pat down, a bag of marijuana was found in his pocket, 26 grams. It should be noted that this was at a strip center, and directly in front of where the defendant was parked is a daycare.
Judge, I do have an argument for PC. The argument first being that the officer says he conducted a traffic stop. We have nothing on what this traffic stop was based on. Additionally, they're in a private property. This is a gas station, this is a strip, a shopping center, not a public roadway. So the Texas Transportation Code doesn't apply to private properties. We don't have anything other than the owner calling or somebody else calling 911. So I don't think we have a reason to even get to PC based on the traffic stop that the officer is claiming.
I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case, Mr. Walker. Do you have a Texas driver license?
No.
How long have you lived in Houston, sir?
2 years.
It's time to surrender the Kentucky license to get a Texas driver license, and I'm giving you 2 weeks to do that. If you do not do that, then I will take your privilege to drive away from you permanently.
Already tried. I waited.
Okay. Then I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. I don't care what's going on in your life. If you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive.
Judge, I would ask if we could give him the 2 weeks to hopefully resolve that issue out and then to have.
He's been extremely arrogant the entire time, counsel. He's been the way that he's acted since he's walked in here. I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you consume alcohol, likewise, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds, sir. You have a lawyer because you do. I will waive your appearance, but it's your responsibility to stay in touch with counsel. If they come back to me, tell me they can't get a hold of you because you're gone MIA or ducking and dodging phone calls, I will issue a warrant for arrest. If I have to put you in jail because you violate conditions or you pick up a new case or you don't stay in touch with counsel, you will not get any more PR bonds from us. I will have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive, and we'll have you go to Victoria, sign a reset, and then you'll get with Tracy your bond conditions, and after that, you'll be free to go, sir. Thank you, counsel.